G'day guys, Jonesy here. I'm slicing in a Urbex with a request. So these people were flooded like so many others, and they've asked me just to come and check because they're just worried people are gonna strip it out or vandalise it. Love these old timber homes. Beautiful rooms, eh? I'd love a home like this out on acreage. Fuck, I hate those smoke alarms. So yeah, the water was pretty high through here. Don't know if you can see it or not, the walls. See the bend in the wall there. Yeah, a lot of people are waiting for either the buyout, or a lot of people that want to stay are waiting for repairs have been told up to... Well, the contractors have a 5-year contract with a 5-year option. So yeah, a lot of people are going to be waiting a long time to get the houses fixed. Like, see up there the damage. And yeah, as you saw in the other video, you know, other houses that have been fixed up got the they've been fixed up, got the buyout and everything. So anyway, the house looks good. I'll see what I can do to fix this front door. The main door's gone, so they've just got this screen door on it. Okay.